If you're looking to take the kids out and have a great time, go to a local trout pond. They're stocked and have plenty of fish for you to catch. This is all you'll need and how you can do it. Some Berkley Power Bait Gulp in a chunky cheese garlic flavor is one I like, but a lot of the flavors work great and a lot of other floating baits might give you success as well. A sliding egg sinker, small treble hook in size 14 to 18, and a barrel swivel. Once you have those three ingredients, take the weight, thread it on your main line. Then take the barrel swivel, tie one end to your main line, and take some 4-pound test, a light line that the fish will not be as able to see. Tie it onto the other end of the barrel swivel. And then anywhere from 12 inches to 4 feet of line depending on the year and time of year you want to tie on your treble. Earlier in the spring when the water is cool, the fish are often close to the bottom and a 12-inch leader will work well. Later in the season when the water warms up, sometimes those fish will suspend off the bottom. That's when a 4-foot leader might help you catch more fish. Keep that in mind, go have some fun with the kids, and there's what your iFish tip of the week will help you catch.